But life must go on. Our journey continues. It seems like just yesterday, I am just taking the Justice Carmelino Albendia Scholarship Test, and we were enrolling here in QCA. But time flies really fast, and we soon leave QCA and enter another journey in our life. Hindi ko makakalimutan kung paano kami nangarag, nagmadali, napuyat, para sa mga requirements and projects na kailangan namin ipasa. Sabayan pa ng mga exams, quizzes, na kung minsan, nakakaya na namin pumasok kahit walang tulog. Marami po akong paghihirap na pinagdaanan at pagsubok na humadlang sa aking daan sa tagumpay. But the result is, I'm here, standing in front of you, proud to say that those hardships and perseverance has paid off. Being a QCAan, I couldn't deny that I've enjoyed my 4 years of stay here. I remember when I was in my elementary days, my sisters and cousin were talking about the activities in QCA. And I kept on asking them, bakit? Ano bang meron? Bakit parang ang saya doon? Because of that, I got curious about QCA. That's why, when my parents asked me where I want to enroll, with excitement, I said QCA. Quezon City Academy didn't frustrate me. Marami po akong natutunan na lesson dito. Not only in academics, but also values in life. I've enjoyed being a high school student and prove what everyone says na ang high school life ang pinakamasaya at hindi makakalimutang parte sa buhay ng isang estudyante. Dito tayo natutong ngumiti, tumawa, sumaya, maging malungkot, umiyak at magmahal. Napapaaway man tayo minsan, pero nakasurvive naman ng sama-sama at nag-mature ng sabay-sabay. I really want to thank the Almighty God for giving me this opportunity to speak before you na hindi ko naman po in-expect, pinangarap, o ni minsan sumagi sa isip ko. But I know He has His own reason for giving me this. And I owe everything to Him. This is the manifestation that with Him, everything is possible. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all my teachers who give their best years of their lives to help me develop my skills and talents and build my abilities for the preparation for the future. Thank you po, Ma'am and Sir, sa walang sawa na pagtsatsaga at pasensya niyo po sa amin. To my beloved parents, to my mom, na laging nandyan para palakasin ng loob ko, and who doesn't get tired of saying na anak, kaya mo yan, believe ako sa'yo, kaya dapat magtiwala ka sa sarili mo. Lahat ng paghihirap mo ay may magandang resulta, makakaraos ka din. And to my dad, na hindi man siya nakating sa espesyal na araw na to, inaalay ko po lahat sa kanya to bilang kapalit sa kanyang paghihirap at pagtitiis sa ibang bansa. And to my family who encouraged me to do my best and to be what I should be in the future, I love you all. Thank you for your unconditional love and support. To my classmates, Abad Santos, my friends, 9A, thank you dahil lagi kayong nandyan para pasayin ako tuwing malungkot ako. Lagi ko kayong kasama sa mga masasayang araw. Kayong kasama ko sa 4 na taon. Mamimiss ko kayo ng sobra. Salamat sa pagpapasaya ng high school life ko at sa pagbuo nito at sa pagiging inspirasyon din sa akin para makamit kung ano mang meron ako ngayon. Life has a series of doors We don't know what inside of it until we open it. Let us be courageous to face the new venture waiting for us. I believe that through God's guidance, we can conquer life. And remember that education is the most essential foundation in one's life. Let us finish our college education and make our diploma a gift for those people who help us reach this ambition just like we do today. We know that every beginning has an end. Dear graduates, don't look back and regret. Look forward and smile. Live by faith and face the challenges without fear. Hold on to our dreams and don't let go. Congratulations, graduates. May God bless us in our endeavor. Thank you and mabuhay.
Sarah Joshua Paulo M. Bakay Rosel G. Borja G. Marie R.
Akhir teh kana Indonesia bandi magulang adat sana sana kundi yung isang
Buhay Jeremiah T.
ano ala sutaram na Gerang benda ulang
Delia Eliza Marie C. Destajo Sunshine P.
Mudah kalau phone aja phone lawas na kasi di mabilis.
Dero Sean Denise A. Galimba Bessie Joy D. Daro Precious Angel A. Go Benedictine Abby A.